In the Blake Lively Justin Baldoni lawsuit, I was reading that Justin Baldoni recently released some raw footage from the filming of It Ends With Us, and he claims that it shows more dialogue between the two actors and that it shows that what happened isn't really sexual harassment, that Blake Lively's characterization of what happened isn't right. Now, in sexual harassment lawsuits, it can be pretty common for both sides to agree on certain facts, but to totally disagree on how they're characterized or whether it shows harassment or not, just like in this case. And so what do you do about that if you might be being sexually harassed at work? How do you stop the other side from mischaracterizing what happened or trying to twist it around? But you can't totally stop them from mischaracterizing it. But one thing that can really help is if you document your concerns of sexual harassment when it's happening. So when something happens that makes you uncomfortable, you think might be harassment, send an email to your boss or to HR and just say that this happened, describe what happened, and say it made you uncomfortable, and that is there anything they can do so that this doesn't happen again. And if you do that, it could be an email, it could be a text. If you do that when these things happen, and if it eventually comes to a head and it doesn't get resolved and you have to go to court to enforce your rights or to seek some kind of resolution in court, that record that you created by making these complaints is going to make it much harder for the defendant to mischaracterize what happened and say it wasn't harassment.